Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we compare products so you can spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, it's a battle of the bots. The iRobot Roomba 692, aka Roomba, versus the HONITURE Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo G20, aka G20. Let's see which one will clean up the competition. First up, let's talk about the price. Roomba comes in at $269. That's like buying a plane ticket to a tropical island. But instead, you get a robot that sucks, in a good way. On the other hand, G20 is $199, $100 less. You can use that extra cash to buy a bunch of snacks for your Netflix binge, while the G20 does all the dirty work. So G20 definitely wins this round. Cha-ching! Roomba promises to clean smarter with its 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes. It even has an edge-sweeping brush for those hard-to-reach corners. It's like having a tiny, determined maid who never takes a break. Reviewers appreciate its good suction and ability to navigate thresholds, though some mention it's a bit loud and needs supervision. Meanwhile, G20 is the multitasking overachiever with vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping all in one. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot cleaners. With a 4,000 pascals super suction power, it can handle pet hair and various flooring types, and users love its effective cleaning on area rugs with fringe. So if you want versatility, the G20 is your guy. Now, let's talk battery life. Roomba gives you 90 minutes of cleaning action before it needs a nap. It's like that friend who says they'll help you move, but bails halfway through. Reviewers note that regular maintenance can help keep it running smoothly. G20, on the other hand, boasts a whopping 150 minutes. That's more than enough time to clean your house and probably your neighbors, too. Users praise its long-lasting battery and ability to cover large areas. So, in the battery department, G20 is the Energizer Bunny, while Roomba needs a bit more caffeine. Roomba has adaptive navigation and dirt detect sensors. It's like the Sherlock Holmes of robot vacuums, sniffing out dirt and dodging obstacles like a pro. Reviewers appreciate its ability to avoid getting stuck and its thorough cleaning pattern. G20, however, has intelligent gyroscope navigation with 4 cleaning modes and built-in fall prevention. It's like the James Bond of robot vacuums. Smooth, smart, and always in control. Users love its smart mapping system and how rarely it gets stuck. But let's be honest, both of these bots are better navigators than me after a few drinks. When it comes to control options, Roomba listens to your voice and learns your cleaning habits. It's like having a personal assistant who doesn't judge you for binge-watching reality TV. Reviewers do mention the app only allows one user at a time. G20 also offers voice control, plus a mobile app and remote control. It's basically the control freak's dream come true. Users love its seamless integration with Amazon Alexa and the user-friendly app. So if you like options, G20 has got you covered. Overall, the iRobot Roomba 692 is praised for its effective cleaning capabilities and solid reputation, though it can be noisy and requires some supervision. Regular maintenance is key to its longevity. On the other hand, the HONITURE Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo G20 impresses users with its versatility, powerful suction, and longer battery life. Its ease of use, smart mapping, and excellent customer service make it a strong contender in its price range. So who wins this robot rumble? If you're looking for the ultimate multitasker that won't break the bank, the G20 is your go-to. But if you want a tried and true cleaner with a solid reputation, Roomba is still a strong contender. Either way, your floors will be cleaner than your browser history after a weekend of online shopping. Thanks for tuning in, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.